So our next section is other income. So let's look at that. Let's zoom right in, and we have other income right here. So here, the other income is basically if you're going to make rental income, or you are going to earn some interest on the money that's sitting in the account or whatever. So what you need to do is put in here, you need to put in a per month value that you are going to make. And you should know that, okay, I'm going to be holding this for 7 months or 8 months or 9 months before I'm ready for construction. So that's the time that you need to allow for that income that's going to come in, because your true bottom line, if your project that you bought in order to develop is still making money before you start construction, you need to account for that in here. So let's say in here, I'm going to make about $2,400 rent per month, and it will go on for, let's say, 8 months or something. And I might earn, $10 a month or something in interest. So I'll allow, 8 months for that during that time. And again, this section here, yes or no, is for GST. If it includes GST, select yes. If it doesn't, leave that out. So that will give you your total EBITDA, which is earnings before interest, taxes, and amortization.